Okay, so first thing, we need a constant called user age. I think this should be easy.
Mhm.
It was let. Do I need the let or just constant?
Read the first part again.
Create a constant variable called user age to represent a user.
So, what do you think? Is it a const or a let?
It's a const.
Yeah, because I said a constant variable.
That's correct.
Yeah.
User age. Okay, you wanted to. Oh, no. Okay.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, of course.
You're doing great.
Set the variable to number of your choice. This was okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have to. I can do any of your choice. Okay, let's take my age.
Okay.
No. Of course not.
Just use.
Do I have to declare it as a number or no? Right? Because it's.
You can just put any number you want.
Yeah.
32 is fine.
Let's take my favorite number.
20.
This is not my age, but that's my favorite number. Actually, this is my favorite number.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so we did the first two things. We created a constant called user age to represent a user. We set the variable to a number of my choice, which is 17. And now we need the bouncer. And the bouncer is... We don't need a variable for that, right?
No.
It's just if...
You can just... That's just like a little... story that I was trying to spin. You can start at the next line.
So the story is if it's younger than if the user is younger than 18, just sorry, you're too young, which will happen by the way because we set to 17. If the user is younger than 21, if you're in the US, you're still too young. Yeah. And if the user is older than 21, just please come in and have a great night. Okay, so we are just declaring the if condition, right?
Yeah.
So say if in this, in this case, user age, no, we need a, don't we? Or is it curly brackets?
No, it's the round ones. The round ones, you're right.
Yeah, just if user age is what, younger, so smaller. Yeah, right. Small. Then 18. No, that's bit.
Yeah, you're right. The other one, perfect.
18. So that's the condition.
Now
I just need copy that, right?
Yeah. We first need our curly braces.
Oh.
Yeah.
So console log. Wait.
What did you forget? Nope.
No. Oh my God. This.
No.
No.
You can remove that. Yes. Okay, so let's run the code. If you save it and then...
Oh, right. Yeah, save that. Here we go. No.
No, that was right. It was, you called it let's go.
Right.
And there you go.
That's right.
Oh, This way. This way. Sorry, but you're too young. Very good.
Yeah.
But we're not done yet.
Missing, we're not done yet because we already know, but we need an else if in this case, right?
Yes, very good.
Else if user age, there we go, is younger than 21. So if it's if the user is younger than 21, we have to tell them that.
Very good.
So, okay, because he is, the user is younger than 17, he's younger than 21, would he print both of them now?
No, because remember what I told you? If
he's taking the first one, right?
Exactly. If the first one applies,
he's
the rest is ignored.
If we could, I had to turn it around. If we was first one check, we were first checking for younger than 18, then we would change for younger than 21.
Yeah.
So if the user age would be 20, for example, then
you have to save the file first.
I really have to remember that. First save, then run.
So now it should say,
if we're in the US, you're still too young. Could we check for both?
That's probably something for next week,
yes,
though.
Okay. Else, if the user age, what was it? Is older than 21. So now we have this. We have the we have the console saying, just get that, please come in and have a great night. And I just should have, okay, right. Nope. No. Okay, I made the mistake somewhere. Is it this one? No. I'm here. Now it's correct, the code, right?
There's still red underlining.
Oh, is it because of the space?
No.
We don't we close it?
So what's an else case? What does an else case do?
Well, it checks all the other.
So if the if doesn't apply, and if the else if doesn't apply as well, if both of them don't apply, then the else catches everything else.
Yes.
So, because we are catching everything else, we don't need to check if the user age is 21. Like everything, the round braces and everything in between, you don't need. You can just remove all of that. So if you just hit backspace a few times, just like that. And there we go.
Okay, understood. Yeah, this makes sense.
Yeah.
So if I wanted to check another age, I should also write else if,
That's right,
of course. Yeah. And then after I declared all my possibilities I'm thinking about, I think, okay, and the rest just goes
For
with
example,
else.
if you want to check, because right now everyone who's 21 or older can check, can come in.
Yeah.
But if you want to say, for example, or let's just put the age to 25, for example, and run the code again.
Up, save it.
Very good.
Got that after just a couple of times. Okay.
So
now he's the user.
Right now, what happens is that anyone who's 21 or older gets in.
Yeah.
But can you add a case that applies if the age is equal to 21 as well? Just like a little bonus part.
Yeah, because if
So if the age is 21, you want another case that says, for example, let's say just old enough.
Yeah.
How would you do it?
So I would also put an else if.
That's right.
Do I have to put it under the other else if? Or
That doesn't matter.
it really
It's just
doesn't matter, right?
style choices.
Okay. So the user age is, oops.
Yeah, you have to write user age together. It's
Oh,
there's the space in between.
Thank you. Is 21. Then we have the console say something like, no. Great, just the proper age. For example.
Yeah.
So it is, oops, I just hit, so we save that and run it. User already is 21. Great, just the proper.
And there you go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Okay.
Well done. So it was easier than expected. You did very well.
Exactly wanted to say that. It was much easier than I thought. But
and I feel like you also had the experience that just doing it yourself, just getting your hands dirty, like made you understand how it's supposed to be.
Oh, we do have a new follower.
Yeah.
Hey, new tech 2. Welcome.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you for following.
That's nice. Okay.
What is the use of TypeScript? New Tech 2 is asking. So TypeScript is on top of JavaScript. It's basically a different flavor of JavaScript, and JavaScript is the language of the web. So if you want to have a website and you want to add some logic to it, then you will need JavaScript. And TypeScript just makes JavaScript a lot better. So that's the reason why I'm teaching Stephan TypeScript right now instead of JavaScript.
And you called it a superset last time, I remember.
Yeah, that's right. It's like a superset. It's like on top of JavaScript. Yeah. And if you can see on Stephan's screen right now, there's TypeScript, the TypeScript file that he's in. And if we run the code, then it gets transpiled. So it gets translated basically to the script.js file in his dist folder, if you want to point to it with your mouse. Yeah. So that's basically JavaScript now. And as you can see, they look very similar. Yeah, that's what it does. TypeScript translates to JavaScript. The way you code looks like Python. So
okay, does it?
Yeah, it kind of does actually. Yeah,
okay.
It's a bit like the coding style. So what we don't have in Python is, for example, the curly braces that we use for our if statement. That's something that's just doesn't exist in Python. But yeah, the way you wrote it is very similar to JavaScript. That's right. To Python. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Great. Okay, so are we done with the conditional?
I think we're done for today, actually. New Tech or anyone else, if you have any questions, or Stephan, if you have any questions, of course.
I actually don't.
Okay, that's good. I think
that's really good.
We did a lot today. We learned a lot again, and yeah, it was great having you.
Thank you. You're a great teacher, as last time. I'm really looking forward to our next lessons. And the test actually didn't feel like it, more like an exercise. That's so I really keep on doing that because I really think that's...
Yeah, just like I said, coding is always learning by doing.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Thanks, Max.
Very good.
Guys, girls, see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.